Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring the concept of change, delving into why we resist it so that we might become more open to and accepting of it. To begin this session, take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Let your spine be long and your shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes if you haven't already done so, and then take a few moments to settle in. Note what the earth feels like beneath you. Notice any sounds that fill the space around you. And then notice the way the breath moves into and out of your body. You do not need to change the breath's rhythm or depth. Simply observe it as it moves on its own accord. And then become aware of any physical tension that is held in the body. Start to soften it where it feels safe and comfortable to do so, perhaps relaxing your hands, your shoulders, your jaw, or the muscles in your forehead. And when you are physically as relaxed as possible, come back to that steady flow of your breath. If the mind wanders at any point, simply note the mental movement and then come back to your breath with patience and compassion. The only thing constant in life is change, and yet most of us resist it. Perhaps not in all settings or in all circumstances, but each one of us can likely recall a time when we just wanted things to stay as they were, when we resisted the natural flow of a relationship, a job, or any other circumstance. There are many different reasons that we might resist change. First, there is the fear of the unknown. When things change, we can never be quite sure what the change will mean for us. Since we have no sense of what our future will be like if things are different, we might prefer to hold on to the way that things are now. This provides us with a sense of control and stability. We also resist change at times because it can be painful or feel threatening. Sometimes the threat is real, and sometimes it is perceived. But in either case, we anticipate that the changes to come will bring us suffering. Becoming aware of any resistance we feel towards change can help us to remain grounded and present. The more curious we become about our resistance, the more clarity we stand to gain. From this place of grounded awareness, we can decide, is there something I can proactively do to manage the coming change? Or do I need to address my relationship to or my fear surrounding this situation? Each change we go through will be different, and yet through mindful self-awareness, we can better prepare ourselves to navigate whatever is to come. So let's take a moment now just to sink back into our present moment experience. Take a moment to come back to the breath, watching as it flows into and out of your body. Now, if this topic of change has stirred any feelings for you, I invite you to inquire, where are these feelings located within the body? Take a moment to locate where any resistance to change manifests for you, and then stay with that sensation for a short while. Breathe into it, seeing if it softens, dissolves, or changes in any other way. Remain with that sensation for a little longer, just observing the shifts. Now, come back to your breath as you focus your attention on the heart. Watch as the breath flows into this space, and as it flows out. With each breath in, see if your heart might become more open or more accepting to the natural, ever-present energy of change. And as you exhale, see if you might soften into this present moment a little more. The past is in the past. The future has not yet arrived. See if you can find a sense of strength and grounding in this present moment. And in that silent space within yourself, I invite you to repeat, I embrace the ebb and flow of life. I embrace the ebb and flow of life. I embrace the ebb and flow of life. Come back to your breath for just another few rounds, knowing that there is nothing you need to do to figure out or to accomplish in this moment. Feel into the earth beneath you now. And then bring a bit of movement into your hands and feet. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed today's session. See you again